Hello and welcome to our video on the science of sleep and how to overcome sleep problems. Sleep is an essential part of our lives, yet many of us struggle to get enough quality sleep. In this video, we will explore the different stages of sleep, the factors that affect sleep, and common sleep problems and their causes. We will also share practical tips and strategies to improve the quality of your sleep and overcome sleep problems. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the science of sleep. Sleep is a complex biological process that is critical for our health and well-being. It is essential for physical and mental restoration, memory consolidation, and overall cognitive function. The human sleep cycle consists of two main stages: non-rapid eye movement, NREM, sleep and rapid eye movement, REM sleep. During NREM sleep, the body repairs and regenerates tissues, while during REM sleep, the brain consolidates memories and processes emotions. Various factors can affect the quality and quantity of sleep, including lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise, and stress levels, as well as medical conditions like sleep apnea and insomnia. Insomnia, in particular, is a common sleep disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be caused by various factors, including anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. If you are struggling with sleep problems, there are several effective strategies you can use to improve the quality of your sleep. First, establish a regular sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and promotes better sleep. Additionally, create a sleep-conducive environment by keeping your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Other tips to improve sleep quality include avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine, especially in the evening. Regular exercise can also help promote better sleep, but it is essential to avoid exercising too close to bedtime as it can interfere with sleep. Lastly, consider relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to reduce stress and promote relaxation. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the science of sleep and how to overcome sleep problems. Remember, sleep is essential for your health and well-being, so prioritize getting enough quality sleep each night. By following the tips and strategies shared in this video, you can improve the quality of your sleep and enjoy sweet dreams. Thank you for watching, and sweet dreams.